Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. Now the most notable features on this SE is its power folding doors, as well as your backup camera and DVD player. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this SE is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps. Taking a closer look, you have your hood deflector, and over on the side you have the 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your body side moldings, and then foldable mirrors and heated mirrors. And taking a look just at the second row here, as you can see, you have second row captain seats. And if you take a closer look just at the top here, you're going to see your DVD player. So during those long trips, that way you can entertain the kids just on those trips. And then your close button is just going to be located on the inside here. So all you have to do is push on the button once and it will close for you automatically. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is red. And if you take a look on the windows there, you have the window visor guards. And we're going to be taking a closer look at the front dash as well as the front seats. So as you can see, you do have your black interior with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Over on your left hand side you have your light controls, and you also find your power pedal adjustment just on the inside of the steering wheel there. Mirror controls with your window locks, power locks, window controls both your front and rear windows. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your voice recognition, Bluetooth, as well as your cruise control, just over on your right-hand side. And then you'll also find the tune function as well as audio control just located on the back of the steering wheel there. Now, I'm just going to close in on the exact kilometers just so I can show you what it's currently sitting at. If you take a look at the center dash here, as well as the display, you have your AM, FM, as well as the satellite radio. And taking a look down below, temperature control settings will be located there with your eco on, hazard lights, as well as your traction control on and off. It's matted to an automatic transmission. And if you take a look just at the top here, you'll actually find the power sliding rear door controls as well as your power lift gate. And you can turn it on and off depending on what your preferences are. And taking a look, as you can see with the backup camera, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on the back of your tailgate, you're going to see your backup camera just on your left-hand side, and your rear hatch release located in the center. Now, as you can see, it does have a 60-40 split for your third row, but even with the seats actually folded up, you still have plenty of cargo space located down below. If you do need the additional cargo room, you can actually fold down the seats. As you can see on the straps here, they actually have them numbered. That way you can actually know how exactly you'll fold down the seats. As you can see, you have your 1 for the headrest, 2 just to make sure that this is folded down, and then with 3, this unlocks it so that you can actually fold it down into the floor. And then that way, everything is nice and flat. So you just want to make sure everything is folded down. And then that way, if you need more additional room, it's available to you. And then like with the second row seats, you can actually have them stored down into the floor there as well, just in case you're not using them. Now, if you take a look up top there, as you can see the DVD player just from the back here, you can still see it. And then when you're all finished up, just hit the button on the left-hand side here for the power tailgate, and it will close for you automatically, making things a lot easier for you when you have your hands full of grocery bags or the kids' sports bags. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455. Or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.